Hello students, exercise 1.2, fourth problem, first subdivision. Represent each of the given relation by, the first one is an arrow diagram, second one is a graph, third one is set in roster form, right? So first subdivision in this fourth problem is x comma y such that x is equal to 2y. X belongs to 2, 3, 4, 5. Y belongs to 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? So the values of x and y is given here. Right? And the reason for the relation is given, that is x is equal to 2y. X is equal to 2y. First one is arrow diagram. Someone may do like this. That is, value of x is 2, 3, 4, 5. Value of y is 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. Connect 2 and 1, connect 3 and 2, connect 4 and 3, connect 5 and 4. That's all about arrow diagram. Someone may do like this, but it is totally wrong. So we can't able to do like this, because we don't know exactly which numbers are relations here, which elements are relations here, right? So we have to find out which numbers are relations. For that only we have the clue, that is x is equal to 2y. So we are going to find out values of x here by substituting the values of y. So always substitute RHS values. It will be useful. It will be easy, right? Okay. So I am going to substitute all the values of y one by one, and I am going to find out the values of x. So what are the y values here? 1, 2, 3, 4. I am going to substitute one by one. So first one, when y is equal to 1. When y is equal to 1, what is x? I am going to substitute 1 in the place of y. So when y is equal to 1. So 2 into 1. What is x value? 2. Right? So when y is equal to 1, x is equal to 2. Next, I have to go for the second number, that is 2. When y is equal to 2, so substitute 2 here. 2 into 2, 4. Y is equal to 2 means x is equal to 4. Next one is third value, 3. When y is equal to 3, I have to substitute 3 here. 2 3s are 6. So x is 6. Next one, when y is equal to 4, so I have to substitute 4 here. So 2 4s are 8. X is 8. Right? So we found out 4 x values. But if you look at the values of x given in the question, 2, 3, 4, 5, only 2 values are here in x. That is 2 and 4. Other 2 values are not here. So here we have 6 and 8. It is not in this set x. Right? So now we are going to draw the arrow diagram. Arrow diagram is very simple. First of all, we have to draw 2 circles, x and y. And we have to write all the elements. What are the elements? 2, 3, 4, 5. So write 2, 3, 4, 5. Next one is 1, 2, 3, 4. Write 1, 2, 3, 4. But what are the elements are related, connected? That's we found out here, right? What are the elements that are connected here? When y is equal to 1, x is 2, which means 2 and 1 are connected. 2, x is equal to 2 means y is what? 1. So 2 and 1 are connected. Next one, when y is equal to 2, x is 4. X 4 and y 2. Therefore, this 4 and this 2 are connected. Next one is when y is equal to 3, x is 6. We don't have element 6 in this set. So, this 3 is not connected to anywhere. The same way, when y is equal to 4, x is 8. 8 is also not here. So, this 4 is not connected to anywhere here. So, that's all about arrow diagram. Only 2, 1 and 4, 2 are connected. So, don't do like this. It is wrong. This is correct. We have to find out the corresponding values. After that, we have to find out the relations. Then only we have to draw the arrow diagram. Next one is roster form. Roster form is very simple. We have to listing out the elements. So what are the ordered pairs here? 2 and 1. So 2, 1, 4 and 2. So 4, 2. That is roster form. Next one is graph. Graph is also very, very simple. We have to draw x-axis and y-axis and write numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Just plot the points of the ordered pair. So 2, 1, that is x, y, right? So when x is 2 and y is 1. So we have to plot 2 comma 1 here. So x is 2 and y is 1. So 2 comma 1. And the next one is 4 comma 2. So 4 comma 2. So this is graphical representation, right? So first of all, we have to find out the corresponding values. We have to find out the relations. After that, we have to draw the arrow diagram, roster form, graphical representation. That's all about this problem. Thank you.